Hello, as you can see, this is the 2021 range of motorhomes from Mobilvetta design of Italy. This vehicle here has just been brought out, a Kea P, the essence of made in Italy, with an international flavour and absolute performance. Or at least that's what it says. P67. It's got a bed at the back, which I prefer. 7 meters long to 699, 235 in width, 295 in height. Empty weight, ready to go weight 3,078, giving 422 kilos of payload. It is from 3.5 tons, so you can put on a higher basis if you want. If there's only 2 people traveling in it, I would suggest that is probably not that it probably is sufficient, because by the time it does supposedly include the driver. No, drivers weigh at different amounts, bit of fuel and a bit of water, but I think that's okay. So three tons of weight, and with 2 people in, can't complain. And I think they've done quite well to actually keep it down to that level. Mobilvetta design, noted for its design, its sort of elegance, is sort of this thing that says made in Italy ideas, comes with a net to stop yourself falling out of bed. I don't know anybody else that does that in this type of layout. Yes, and overhead beds, yeah, you expect it, and bunks, but in this one, and I think it would look even better with the light on. So we know you see it in the dark. Let's put the light on. Lights on up here, yeah, and here. There you go. What do you think? Do you like it better in the dark or with the lights on? Oh, that certainly does add to it, doesn't it? Right, let's at trade fairs, they have a way of actually blocking the lights, and so you can turn it on from 12 volt as much as you want, but it's not going to work. Got 2 drain holes there. Quite like this. I think this is a nice fan. I just looked at another new one of theirs and wasn't impressed, but this is more like it. Plenty of storage. Fat fridge. Okay, people have said in the past about me, why do I film at this time? Why don't I do it when the hovers are not going off? Well, there's a very good reason for that. I mean, because there's a lot of people walking in and out. That's why. And so, I mean, it's a choice. I can either do it with a bit of background hoover noise, or I can do it with people getting in my way, packed out, or now in the current situation, not even getting in the vans at all. So you're seeing the van, you've got the background noise. Don't like the background noise, or don't like my voice, then turn the volume down, or mute it in fact. Fuse box plus your gas control knobs. Here, this thing, oh, it almost goes to the back. Mind you, is that look? Ooh, the finishing on that's not very good. No, it's great having this light coming in, and one thing I saw actually, because in the past I sort of mentioned the light and not enough room for solar or something like that, but there's a company here from Italy which makes solar panels, that go around the roof lights. And one thing I would definitely not want to be without is this, the double floor, and it's deep. Table will go down, and I think you can make this into a bed here as well as a one person bed really, rather than two. Maybe it's two. It's not very wide. So that's the view inside. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, this does look quite nice. It's got style to it. It's got a flair to it. And I was in another one. It really, the design inside was very similar. Sorry, the chairs, but somehow it just didn't seem to work for me. But this, I can't explain what the differences are. There's 4 built-in positions I can point out. The other 2 are the side ones here, for those who want to travel sideways. And I think this is a really nice van. In fact, if Mobilvetta Design want to give me one of their vans, I think I'll take this one. Let's have a wander outside. Right, so as I've touched things, I'll put this stuff on. I try to use that as much as I can. And before touching anything and after touching things. Look at this enormous, really fantastic garage in here. Comes with this here, a electric point. So unfortunately, it's just for shore power. What it could do with though is 12 volts. You can charge electric bikes up in the back. A garage of this size, I've seen now some things where you actually slide out. The thing that slides out, and you keep your bikes on it, and even with a ramp for electric bikes. One I looked at yesterday, admittedly it was quite expensive, it was well over €3,000, but I thought it looked very nice. And if you're using the van for cycling, then it could indeed be something worth considering. So we've got the bedroom window, living room window, and there's your gas down there. You can see the lights, skylights I should say. So up there. So there we have the Mobilvetta design stand. This is what it's now about, I think about 9 something, just under an hour. So the trade fair will be opening, so you can see some of the other vans we've got here, and this is just one hall of many. Great. I think it was this was the one I didn't like so much. Kea I integrated. It says they're from 67,251, but I doubt you could be lucky enough to get one at that price. Mobilvetta design do appear on the used market. The thing has been in business for so many years, so you do occasionally see used vans come up. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope you found that of interest, and you might like the van, you might not have liked the van, you might not have liked my opinions, but you know, it's opinion, and everybody thinks differently. So that's what makes things interesting. Thanks very much for watching.